Railway Departmental LDCE Finance and Accounts Series 12. Forthcoming CBT would have technically twisted questions, therefore macro level study is essential. Now the first question in this series. What is sanction limit of DRM under umbrella works in Plan Head 33? Options are A 5 crore, B no limit, C 2.5 crore, D 1 crore. The right answer is option C 2.5 crore. Now the next question in this series. Which of the following works cannot be charged in EBR-IF fund? Options are A. Throughput enhancement works, B. Line capacity enhancement works, C. Environment related works, D. All of the above. Please go through the question and options carefully and then answer. The right answer is option C. Now the next question. What is demand number among the following for railways appropriation of funds of budget estimate for financial year 22-23? Options are demand number 84, B demand number 85, C demand number 87, D demand number 88. The right answer is option B. Now next question. What is the limit of DRM to accord administrative approval to lump sum works under Plan Head 16? Options are A 2 crore, B 1 crore, C 2.5 crore, D 5 crore. The right answer is C 2.5 crore. Now the next question. Who may accord administrative approval to the out of turn works costing 2.35 crore in Plan Head 33? Options are A DRM, B GM, C Railway Board, D Niti Aayog. Right answer is option B GM. Now the next question. A firm wants to set up a PFT under deposit works in Gati Shakti policy costing 7.35 crore. Who can accord administrative approval? Please read question. And options are A DRM, B ADRM, C Synodium, D both A and B. Right answer is option D both A and B. The SAG officers have authority for more than 5 crore and up to 50 crore. Therefore, the answer is both A and B. Now the next question. A work for upgradation of interlocking of a station costing 4 crore requires material modification. How much maximum modification is allowed? Please read the question carefully. This is a technically twisted question. Options are A 40 lakhs, B 80 lakhs, C 20 lakh, D 1 crore. This is a technically twisted question. The right answer is option B 80 lakhs. Maximum 20% of original cost is allowed for material modification. Therefore, the right answer is option B. Now the next question. What is limit for reappropriation of revenue grants for ADRM? Options are A 10%, B 20%, C nil, D full power. The right answer is option C nil. Now the next question. What was the rate of interest for second quarter in financial year 22-23 on GPF? Options are A 8.2, B 7.1%, C 8.5%, D none of these. The right answer is option B 7.1%. Now the next question. A SSC PV applies for ex-India leave of 11 days. No relief is required for a tour of London. Who can permit? Options are A. Synedian Co, B. Synedian Co and Synedifem, C. ADRM, D. None of these. Technically twisted question answer. Right answer is option C. ADRM. Now the next question. Financial concurrence is necessary for granting which of the following leave? Options are A. Study leave, B. ex-India leave, C. both A and B, D. none of these. Please read the question and answer options carefully and then answer the question. The right answer is option A. Study leave. Now the next question. What is the sanction limit of works for DRM under umbrella work in Plan Head 16? Options are A. 2.5 crore, B. 1.5 crore, C. no limit, D. 5 crore. The right answer is option B. 1.5 crore. Now the next question. Who is authorized for fixation and approval of minimum reserve price for static catering unit? Options are A. Synedicem, B. Synedifem, C. both A and B, D. DRM. Please read carefully the question. The right answer is option D. DRM. Now the next question. Who determines the base rate of interest? Options are A. Bank concerned, B. RBI, C. Finance Ministry, D. Banks Association. This is a finance related question. Right answer is option B. RBI. Now the next question. What is our effects of higher SLR to banks? This is a finance related question and market related question. Options are A. Less liquidity in the economy, B. higher liquidity in the economy, C. less inflation, D. both A and C. The right answer is option D. both A and C. Next CBT would have technically twisted questions. Therefore, macro level study is essential. These questions are designed meticulously for forthcoming CBTs. Please subscribe this channel for getting notification. Thanks a lot.